A geometric sequence is an ordered list of numbers in which the ratio of successive numbers is constant. Now, that might sound complicated, but it's really quite simple. It just means that when you go, in our example, from one number to the next, you're multiplying by the same thing each time. So to get from 4 to 8, that's times 2. And um, if you want to go from 8 to 16, you're also doing times 2, and it continues just like that as long as you're putting them together. Another way to say this is that we're actually multiplying by the same number each time. So we're repeatedly multiplying by the same number. So just like a arithmetic sequence could be either adding or subtracting, effectively, geometric can be either multiplying or dividing. So for example, if you had something like this, 27, then 9, then 3, what you're effectively doing here is simply multiplying by 1/3 each time. Times 27 times a third is 9, and 9 times 1/3 is 3. And then the next term would be 1 and 1/3, etc. That brings us to our second piece of vocabulary. The common ratio is the number which the terms are repeatedly multiplied by. So our common ratio here for our first one was times 2. So 2 would be our common ratio. Down here, our common ratio would be 1/3. And both apply to a geometric sequence. Again, the geometric sequence is the number pattern itself in which you're multiplying by the same thing over and over again. That's our geometric sequence. And the thing which you multiply by is called your common ratio. Thank you.